Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders, and my dear students. Hearty welcome to Differential Equations class. We are going to start Unit 2. The title of this lesson is Differential Equations of First Order but not of First Degree. Definition: an equation of the form f of x by p equal to 0, where p is not the first degree, is called a differential equation of first order but not of first degree. f of x, y, p equal to 0 రూపంలో ఉన్నటువంటి అవకలన సమీకరణంలో p కేవలము ప్రథమ పరిమాణం కానటువంటిది అయినప్పుడు దాన్ని ప్రథమ పరిమాణము మరియు ప్రథమ తరగతి కాని అవకలన సమీకరణము అని అంటారు. దీని యొక్క రూపం p పవర్ n ప్లస్ p1 టైమ్స్ x, y, p పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ ఎట్సెట్రా pn minus 1 x, y times p plus pn of x, y equal to 0 is called the general first order equation of degree n. దీని యొక్క రూపము p పవర్ n ప్లస్ p1 టైమ్స్ x, y, p పవర్ n minus 1 ప్లస్ ఎట్సెట్రా pn minus 1 x, y times p plus pn of x, y equal to 0. No, first order మరియు nth డిగ్రీ, ప్రథమ తరగతి మరియు ఎన్నవ పరిమాణ అవకలన సమీకరణము అంటారు. సో దీనిలో 4 రకాలైనటువంటి మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి వీటిని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి. మొట్టమొదటి మెథడ్ సాల్వబుల్ ఫర్ p దృష్ట్యా సాధించుట. టేక్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ y స్క్వేర్ p స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2xy టైమ్స్ 3x ప్లస్ 1 into p plus 3x cube equal to 0 is the given differential equation. Now, on simplifying further, 4y square p square plus 6x square y p plus 2xy p plus 3x cube equal to 0. Taking 2yp common, 2yp into 2yp plus 3x square plus x into 2yp plus 3x square equal to 0. So 2yp plus x into 2yp plus 3x square equal to 0. 2yp plus x is equal to 0. మరొకటి 2yp plus 3x square equal to 0. రెండవ సమీకరణం తీసుకొని 2y dy by dx plus x equal to 0. 2y dy plus x dx is equal to 0. Integral 2y dy plus integral x dx equal to 0. So that is nothing but 2y square by 2 plus x square by 2 equal to c. In other words, 2y square plus x square equal to c. Now, solving the third equation, that is 2yp plus 3x square equal to 0, 2y into dy by dx plus 3x square equal to 0. So 2y dy plus 3x square dx equal to 0. 2y dy plus integral 3x square dx equal to 0. This is nothing but y square plus x cube equal to c. In other words, finally, the solution of 1 is given by 2y square plus x square minus c into y square plus x cube minus c equal to 0. Now solve the equation x square dy by dx whole square minus 2xy dy by dx plus y square equal to x square y square plus x power 4. So this is of the form x square p square minus 2xyp plus y square minus x square y square minus x power 4 equal to 0. That is nothing but x square p square minus 2xyp plus y square minus x square y square minus x power 4 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in p. ఇది pలో ఒక వర్గ సమీకరణం కనుక దీన్ని ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 అయినప్పుడు x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a అవుతుంది. కనుక p is equal to 2xy plus or minus square root of 4x square y square minus 4x square into y square minus x square minus x power 4 whole divided by 2x square. So 2xy plus or minus square root of 4x square y square minus 4x square y square plus 4x square x power 4 y square plus 4x power 6 whole divided by 2x square. So 2xy plus or minus square root of 4x square if you take common, 4x power 4 if you take common, we get y square plus x square divided by 2x square. So this is nothing but 2xy plus or minus 2x square into y square plus x square by 2x square. So p is equal to y by x plus or minus square root of y square plus x square, or y plus or minus x into square root of y square plus x square by x. So solving dy by dx is equal to y plus or minus x into square root of x square y square by x. Put y is equal to vx, therefore dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to vx plus or minus x into square root of x square plus v square x square by x. So v plus or minus square root of x square plus v square x square by x. So x cancel అయిపోతుంది. V plus or minus square root of x square plus v square. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus or minus x into square root of 1 plus x square. V gets cancelled. X dv by dx is equal to x times square root of 1 plus v square. So in other words, dv by square root of 1 plus v square is equal to plus or minus dx. Integral dv by square root of 1 plus v square equal to plus or minus integral dx. That is nothing but sin h inverse of v equal to plus or minus x plus c. That is sin h inverse of y by x is equal to plus or minus x plus c. In other words, y by x is equal to sin h plus or minus x plus c. So y equal to x into sin h plus or minus x plus c. So y is equal to x times sin h of x plus c is one solution. Another one is y is equal to x into sin h of minus x plus c. So finally the solution of 1 is given by y minus x into sin h of x plus c into y minus x into sin h of c minus x equal to 0. Now question number 3, xy p square plus x square plus xy plus y square times p plus x square plus xy equal to 0. Now we have xy p square plus x square p plus xy p plus y square p plus x square plus xy equal to 0. Taking xp common, we get yp plus x into yp plus x plus y into yp plus x equal to 0. So this becomes xp plus x plus y into yp plus x equal to 0. So yp plus x equal to 0. Another one is xp plus x plus y equal to 0. Call that as 2 and 3. Now 2 implies yp plus x equal to 0. Y dy by dx plus x equal to 0. Y dy equal to x dx. Integral y dy plus integral x dx is equal to 0. So integral 0 is nothing but y square by 2 plus x square by 2 equal to c dash. Here it should be integral 0. So y square plus x square minus c equal to 0. Now solving 3, we have xp plus x plus y equal to 0, x dy by dx plus x plus y equal to 0, dy by dx plus 1 plus 1 by x into y equal to 0. So this is of the form dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equal to minus 1. This is a linear differential equation in y of the form dy by dx plus capital P into y equal to q. Okay. Now once again, this is a linear differential equation in in y. Therefore P is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to minus 1. So integrating factor is nothing but e power integral p dx, that is e power integral 1 by x dx, that is e power log x. So that is equal to x. So integrating factor is equal to x. The solution is given by y times integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into x is equal to integral minus 1 into x dx plus c. So xy equal to minus x square by 2 plus c dash. 2xy plus x square is equal to c. Therefore solution of 1 is given by y square plus x square minus c into 2xy plus x square minus c equal to 0. Next question number 4.